Hello there, in today's video we're going to talk about the transfer news of Manchester United Football Club. As we know, the Manchester United under the new interim manager Ralph Ranić is trying their hard to get the best players they can. They're trying to get Ralph Ranić as the manager, they're trying to get Erling Haaland, and they're trying to enhance their squad. While already we have players like Sancho, Ronaldo, Varane, Fred, Greenwood. They're trying to get a fresh new striker because Cavani, and Rashford, and there are rumors of Martial leaving as well, and Lingard as well. River Plate striker Julian Alvarez has refused to rule out the prospect of leaving the Argentine club during the January transfer window amid links with the move to Manchester United. Alvarez, who turns 22 next month, has been linked with a move to Old Trafford in the last few days, with it claimed by Argentine newspaper that United have made the contract with a forward. The attacker, who can play out wide as well as through the middle, has been in outstanding form since becoming a first-team regular, scoring 18 goals and grabbing 7 assists to help River Plate scoop the Argentine top-flight title last month. Considered as one of the most promising youngsters breaking through in South America, Alvarez has scored 36 goals in 96 games for the River Plate club and is said to be one of the most promising players, up till date. Yeah, that's a good issue. I mean, look, we do need new strikers. I mean, we've got strikers like Cavani. He's very old. Ronaldo, he'll play probably for 2 or 3 more years. And Martial is out. We've got So with this, we definitely need a new striker. With the speculation about his future mounting ahead of the January transfer window opening for business in a little over a week's time, the striker has refused to rule out the prospect of moving to Manchester United, but he has not offered any hint of where he could do. Frankly, I don't know what will happen. Now I'm only thinking about celebrating, Alvarez, reported to Manchester United. As well as being United linked with the 21-year-old signature, Alvarez also been linked with a move to the likes of Atletico Madrid, Bayern Munich, Juventus, and he has no shortage of potential suitors. Even Chelsea are chasing him, as per the news. Considering the 2022 FIFA World Cup is now less than a year away, Alvarez's quest to force his way into the Argentine squad for the tournament in Qatar could influence his thinking when it came to decision about his future. So his main aim would be, going for the World Cup. And we all know that, how much the World Cup means for a player. I mean, it's one of the biggest tournaments in the world, and for a player, it means literally everything. Okay. When I make my decision, I'll choose what's best for me. Alvarez has made 5 senior appearances for Argentina, despite only making his debut as recent as June. And it is reported that the forward has a clause of 17 million release clause within this contract, but this current deal expires in the next year, meaning in 2022 January he could easily be on the table to be signed. That's something we should definitely look forward to. So Julian Alvarez breaks Manchester United's silence as Ralph Ranić, gives Edinson Cavani verdict. So he broke the silence on his future, which bodies will for Manchester United. And welcome in the one, as we got to know, he has been heavily linked with Old Trafford and he hasn't dismissed it yet. Even Barcelona want him, a lot of clubs want him. I mean, he has been linked, with bringing in, he is said to be follow the style of Edinson Cavani. So he's a striker who idolizes Edinson Cavani, and we all know how well player Cavani is. And after racking up 18 goals and 6 assists, the young forward established himself, taking River Plate to the Premier Division last month. Sorry for that. So he's one of the most in-demand strikers right now. I can say that. I can clearly say that. I think he'll be a great addition to the United, team. I think he'll be a great addition. I think he'll do fantastic. I think he'll be absolutely great. His performances have led to him being linked with several top European clubs, including United. The Argentinian has spoken out on his future and did not rule out a move to Old Trafford. Speaking to reporters after the River Plate's 4-0 win against Cologne, Alvarez stated, "Frankly, I don't know what will happen. Now I'm only thinking about celebrating. In a new January, we will see." Alvarez has a huge future ahead of him, and bringing him in now into United could be a perfect move for Ralph Ranić, who's looking for a new strikers. Raniak has a player on his hand to organically grow, whilst Alvarez will be learning alongside like the likes of Cristiano Ronaldo and Cavani, which is very very important. If Alvarez gets to learn besides players like Cavani and Ronaldo, then it will be a big big win for everybody, for him, for us, for the club, everybody. It's a win. Since he arrived at United, Edinson Cavani has been a great influence, playing with the likes of Ronaldo, Sancho, Varane, Rashford, Bruno. He has adapted really quickly and he has become a cult hero at Old Trafford in a very very short time. However, Cavani has been linked recently with moving away, so that's an issue. So yeah, that's one of the issue that of Alvarez that we're dealing with. And do you think Alvarez will be a good move? And I think Alvarez will be a fantastic move to Manchester United. I think it'll be a great move. It'll suit them great. It'll be great. And Manchester United have made contacts with Julian Alvarez. That's rumored. They have made contact with the River Plate club, but then they have shown their interest to pay the clause and get him permanently into the club. And as they have finished second, such as runners up in the last the last Premier League season, they want to hold that position or maybe even try to go number one in the table, because the number of games that they are relatively all easy games ahead of us. So if we can get a striker like Julian Alvarez, he can learn from experienced players like Ronaldo, Cavani. That's all he needs. Or even Lingard. Lingard is a very good player. Lingard is a very good player. He wants to play for United. He needs to play for United, but unfortunately, he's not good enough to come off right now. The January transfer window is going to be a feeding frenzy, and there are going to be players like Declan Rice, Amdu Hadira. There's going to be Haaland, and Alvarez has attracted the attention from European giants: Atletico Madrid, Bayern Munich, Juventus, Barcelona, Chelsea, you name it, everybody wants him. It's quite funny, because whenever we want a player, it's like everybody is after him. Love of God, who's available? Who's the player who's available that we can get? And currently, as per the new news, Manchester United have made an official bid for Julian Alvarez. That's all I've got to know, that they have made a bid for him. They have offered him a contract, and they're waiting for a response from him, so that he can fit into Raniak's 4-2-2 tactics. And recently, what we're seeing is that his tactical approach, his transfer approach, his transfer links, and United being interested in him as the next transfer. So yeah, it's one of the basic issues here. It's one of the transfer myths that we're seeing. So let's see if Julian Alvarez is transferred to United. That is something we'll wait and watch. Till more, for more news and more views. Take care. Wait.